Starting a limited liability company in Oklahoma involves a series of steps designed to protect your personal assets and establish a clear structure for your business, combining the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. In this video, I'll walk you through the detailed understanding of each step involved. And by the way, if you would like to get help in starting your very own LLC in Oklahoma, then make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video and sign up with Northwest Registered Agents. They're professionals and they will be able to help you out. Plus, it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First, think of a unique name for your LLC. This name must include Limited Liability Company or LLC at the end. Make sure no other company in Oklahoma has the same name by searching on the Secretary of State's website. Avoid using words that might confuse your business with a government agency. Words like bank or attorney might need extra paperwork and approvals. Consider the future and check if your business name's website domain is available. If you're not ready to start your LLC, you can pay a small fee to reserve your name for 60 days. This stops anyone else from taking it while you get ready. Reserving your name is a smart move if you're serious about your business but need a little more time to launch. Then, every LLC in Oklahoma must have a registered agent. This is a person or company that accepts legal papers for your LLC. Your agent must have a real address in Oklahoma, not just a P.O. box. They need to be available during normal business hours to receive documents. You can be your own registered agent, or you can choose someone else in your company. If you prefer, there are companies that offer registered agent services for a fee. This is important because if your LLC is sued, the legal documents have to go somewhere reliable. A registered agent makes sure you receive these documents promptly. Choosing the right agents helps keep your business in good legal standing. The articles of organization officially start your LLC, so filing it is the next big step. You need to fill out a form with basic info about your LLC. This includes your LLC's name, address, and the name of your registered agents. You can file this form online or send it through the mail to the Secretary of State. There is a fee to file, but it's a necessary step to make your LLC official. Once your articles are approved, you'll get a certificate from the state. This certificate proves your LLC exists. It's needed to do things like open a bank account for your business. Filing your articles is like announcing to the world, hey, my business is here. Here's another thing to consider. An operating agreement isn't required in Oklahoma, but it's a very good idea to have one. It's a plan that shows how your LLC will run. This agreement talks about how money and work are shared in your LLC. It also explains what happens if someone wants to leave the LLC or if new people want to join. Without an operating agreement, the state's rules will apply, which might not be what you want. This document helps prevent arguments among the owners. Even though the state doesn't need to see it, keep it with your important papers. Your operating agreement can also show banks and other businesses that you're serious. It's your LLC's rulebook, so take your time and make it right. The last major task to accomplish is obtaining an employer identification number, EIN. Your LLC needs an EIN from the IRS. It's like a social security number, but for your business. With an EIN, your LLC can hire employees and open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online or by mail, and it's free. Even if you don't plan to hire employees right away, an EIN is still useful. It's also needed for tax purposes. Getting an EIN is a quick step that makes your LLC more official. Think of it as your business's ID for dealing with the government. It's a small but crucial step in setting up your business. Running an LLC is an ongoing responsibility. After your LLC is set up, there are a few more things to do to maintain your LLC. First, check if you need any special permits or licenses. This depends on what kind of business you're running and where it's located. You might need a sales tax permit, professional licenses, or health permits, for example. Visit the Oklahoma Department of Commerce website for a list of possible requirements. Your LLC might also need to register with the Oklahoma Tax Commission. This is important for tax reasons. Depending on your business, you might have to file reports or pay certain taxes regularly. Keeping up with these requirements helps your LLC stay in good standing. It's part of being a responsible business owner in Oklahoma. Next, Oklahoma LLCs must file an annual certificate with the Secretary of State. This keeps your LLC active and in good standing. The certificate confirms your LLC's information is up to date. There's a small fee to file this certificate each year. It's due on the anniversary of when your LLC was formed. Filing this certificate is like a yearly check-in with the state. It's a simple but important task to keep your LLC legal. If you forget, your LLC might get into trouble. Mark your calendar or set a reminder to make sure you do this every year. Finally, LLCs in Oklahoma are usually taxed like sole proprietorships or partnerships. This means the LLC's owners report business income and expenses on their personal tax returns. Some LLCs choose to be taxed as corporations, which can have different tax benefits. Talk to a tax professional to see what's best for your LLC. Remember, you might need to make estimated tax payments during the year. Keeping good records and understanding your tax obligations is key. Taxes can be complicated, but they're a big part of running your LLC correctly. Don't be afraid to ask for help from an accountant. Paying your taxes on time keeps your LLC in good legal and financial health. Starting a limited liability company in Oklahoma is an attractive option due to its affordability. It costs $100 to file your main paper, the Articles of Organization. There are also small fees for business licenses and permits. Every year, you'll pay $25 per member as an ongoing cost. Even though Oklahoma doesn't tax personal income, your LLC might still need to pay other taxes and costs like license renewals, legal advice, office rent, and insurance. Overall, you might spend just a very small amount in the first year. Now, let's talk about several other benefits and a few drawbacks of setting up an LLC in Oklahoma. On the plus side, Oklahoma makes it easy for LLCs because there aren't many rules to follow, which means less paperwork and stress for you. Also, Oklahoma is great for LLCs because it doesn't charge as much in taxes as other states do, and there's no tax on what you earn personally. This can save you a lot of money. Another good thing is that you get to decide how you want to run your LLC in Oklahoma. You can have the freedom to set it up in a way that works best for you and your business. However, there's a downside. The protection you get in Oklahoma for keeping your personal stuff safe if your LLC has problems isn't very clear. It hasn't been tested much in court, so it's hard to say how well it really works. This means there's a bit of uncertainty when it comes to counting on an LLC to protect your personal assets if something goes wrong. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your very own LLC in Oklahoma. Taking each of these steps seriously and giving them the attention they need can make the process of starting an LLC feel less overwhelming. By breaking it down into manageable parts, you can focus on what's important: growing your business and making it successful. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in starting your very own LLC in Oklahoma, you can sign up with Northwest Registered Agents by using my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They are professionals and they will be able to help you out with any questions you have. Plus, it doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time.